ALVABABY PCS Cloth Diaper Wet Dry Bags Waterproof by ALVABABY is one of the best sellers among cloth diaper wet bags products. A truly wonderful bag that allows you to carry your wet and dry items in the same bag. Each bag contains a wet section that is sewn and sealed for no wicking or leaking and a zippered dry section for keeping dry diapers or inserts. Carry all your items in one bag while keeping your dry items dry and your wet or soiled items separately. Truly an all-in-one bag. Product details. 1. ALVABABY 3-size bag for travel wet and dry cloth diapers, comes with a large, medium and small. 2. Dimension. Large bag, L16 W13.3. 3. Can hold up to 10 to 12 diapers, medium bag, L14.5 W11.8. Holds up to 8 diapers, small bag, L11.5 W9, can hold 3 to 4 diapers. 3. Comes with 2 zip closures to ensure that nothing will drop out of the bag, and keep the clean and dirty diapers separately. Can be used as a travel packing cube to put clothes into the suitcase, as well as a laundry bag. 4. Large and medium bag for baby diaper, swimming suits, clothes, gym clothes and more. Small bag for your toiletries, bits and undergarment, socks and other belongings. 5. Comes with a handle so that you can easily pick the bag up or hang it. Features of wet-dry bags for cloth diapers. Reusable. Waterproof. Machine washable. Color. As the picture show. Packing, 2 PCS fashion and stylish, reusable and waterproof, high quality a trim and attractive design. ALVABABY wet-dry bag are made from waterproof 100% polyester, put dirty cloth diapers in a wet bag. Comes with handle for easy carrying or attaching to your diaper bag or stroller. Double zippered, 2 zippered compartments for keep wet and dry things separate. Each bag contains a wet section that is sewn and sealed for no wicking or leaking. Enough space 30 cm by 36 cm, approx. 11.5 in by 14 in, holds approximately 5 to 7 cloth diapers. Lightweight, easy to carry, less than 50 grams. Multifunctional bags, a truly wonderful bag that allows you to carry your wet and dry items in the same bag. Carry all your items in one bag while keeping your dry items dry and your wet or soiled items separate. Truly an all-in-one bag. They can be used as diaper wet-dry bags, travel bags, storage bags, cosmetic bags, handbags, wash bags, organizer bags. Sincere service and no risk -1 year guarantee. If you have any problem with the product, please feel free to contact us. We'll send you a new one or refund your money of your choice.